Happy 4th of July, man.
Oops, that's hot. Oh, what's happening?
Sparks on that.
Oh my god!
Volcano is gonna be a volcano. Yeah, buddy. Happy 4th of July, man. Oh, one sparkler left. One sparkler left, man. There it goes. Yeah. Woohoo.
Okay, guys, we have a heart sparkler. Will this go right or not? You just stuck it in. We're gonna see what happens. It's taking 5 years to light.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, that's scary. It's just had little things are just like falling on it. Jeez.
These are awesome, man.
Oops.
Okay.
Oops.
We're okay. We're not broke. Oh, don't think we're broke. Oh, something fell over there. Oh, we hit the thing right there.
Oh, oops.
Oh, pieces are falling off.
Oops.
This is not blowing up on us. Pieces are just falling off.
Oh, the rest of the junk just fell off over there.
He hit it. He must have hit right this front.
I'm hoping so.
Oh, the junk fell. Yeah. Oh my god, that was
That was-
awesome. Dude, those are good sparklers, man.
I'd say shove 2 in there.
I say we put one in there with like a whole pack of regular sparklers.
You're
on top
insane.
of it.
You're insane. But I say you do it. Okay, guys, we're lighting the concoction. It's about to get real.
Oh jeez, there we go. Here we go.
Oops. Oops. You know, I just have a feeling that something really bad's gonna happen, so don't go near me, thank you.
That's awesome. Look at that. Look at this bad boy. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Yeah.
Dude, that's hot.
I gotta keep the wind on it, man. Make sure the sparks don't. Look at that. Look at it go. Woohoo. Oh, there's two spots. Oh, we're down. All right, let's investigate. Did we get every single one of them?
Yeah.
Did it? Yes. Yes. Houston, we are successful.
That's pretty good.
That's not even hot.
How?
Look, it's not even hot.
How?
That was awesome.
Good little
They
dude.
really pack these ones, man. Volcano is gonna be a volcano. We've got exactly, let's see how many. We have got 6, 12, 13, 14 sparklers. 14 sparklers going up on this bad boy. We are going to tape them all together right now. Alright, let's do this, man. Oh my gosh, look at that monstrosity. The tape's going to catch on fire, that's okay. Not worried. If I was smart, I'd put these in between too, but not very smart. So, here's what it is. I think it's going to be so fiery that they're all going to ignite anyway. It's going to be a fiery inferno.
Take the name Volcano.
Alright, Volcano, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man. Volcano 18, ladies and gentlemen. 1/18 scale Volcano. Are you ready, little guy? Are you ready to be the hero of this story tonight? Are you ready to be the hero of this story? Make sure it's in a good spot here. There we go. That's the sweet spot right there.
This is not gonna be good. I got a really bad problem about this. Oh my god. You think we should not? I think we should not, probably.
What's happening?
It's gonna do nothing too. Watch.
Oh no.
Oh, what's happening? Is something supposed to be happening?
Oh no, we're in trouble though. Is it gonna go back up?
Oh no, what's happening?
Here we go. Here we go, we got it. Yeah! It's a firestorm!
Oh!
I can't even look at it, it's too bright. Oh my gosh, we've been like pieces all over it.
Oh. No. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna get that.
Are you sure?
Staying in control, unless I lose control.
I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. You almost hit me last time. Kind of scared.
There's a lot of stuff in my car right now. Uh-oh.
Dude, half of it's on fire because it's so hot. Look at the glow.
I gotta drive around and cool it, okay? I gotta cool it off. Let's take a look, guys. Did they all?
Yes, they did.
Dude, every one of them ignited. Look, man! Oh, it's not hot! Yeah, look at that! Oh my gosh.
What?
The tape
Let me see.
Look, the tape almost started to melt off of it. Jeez. So, I have to... Oh, oops. Pieces are falling off. Yeah.
Pieces were falling off when you were driving.
Words of warning. Don't ever try to bend a sparkler.
Kids, don't try
It's
this at
going to
home.
crack and break.
Do not try this at home. You're a little bit worried? I was worried more about the other one. Let's comment how long you think this is going to take to light.
We got to start. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not doing.
So you just start driving. Or not. It's okay. Got a lighter. Let's do it again.
Alright, there we go. We got it. We got it, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. It's gonna get bright. I hope.
Or not. Something's supposed to be happening. It's not working. Oops.
Oh, there we go. We got it.
Oh, he's shooting sparks on that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I didn't realize I was pressing it.
Oh my God! I knew it! You promised!
I promise.
Oh my God.
Another failed promise. I'm so sorry.
I'll never forget that. I'll never forget that.
Oh my God. Kids, do not try this at home.
Yeah. Make sure your
Not
parent.
even with adult supervision.
It don't
Because
seem to
adult
work.
supervision will light you on fire.
It don't seem to work.
Oh my.
I don't see much happening, but oh well. Oh, never mind, guys. Oops. Oops, I don't think you taped those that good, but okay. Oh, it's gonna go. It's gonna happen. Oh, it's happening. It's happening.
I gotta keep in motion, guys. Because if I don't, the sparks will burn me alive. I'm gonna do it a little slower this time so people can see.
It's getting a little bit crazy. Oh my gosh! Uh-oh!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, that's a problem.
It's actually affecting his driving, no joke.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's like, I don't know if it's the wind or what it is.
Oops. Oh no, it's lighting the other ones now.
Dude, this is awesome.
Oh no, the other one. Oh shoot, the whole piece fell off. Ah, that's it.
Let's investigate.
Did everyone
Did
of
they
those
all
lights?
light? Dude, they all lit. That is awesome. I gotta take this off. Question is, oh no.
Oh no.
It's stuck.
Oh no, oops.
Oh
Oh no. That's a problem.
yeah, that's a oh, it's a little warm. Why is it so stuck in here? There it goes, it's coming. I got it, almost got it. Okay. Alright. Let's investigate the damage.
Of your car?
Did he get anything?
Come here. Okay, let me turn this other one on really quick.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't advise you try this at home. Since we have melting on our body.
Oops. Oops.
Oops, look. A little bit of melting.
Oh my gosh.
A little bit
It
right
looks
there.
like you've been through like freaking mortars. Look like I've been
Let's see,
shooting
how
at
are
him.
his wheels? Wheels did good. You know, melting on the wheels.
No melting on the wheels.
No melting on the wheels. Look, I got some melting here. But
Yeah.
overall, I mean, I didn't
it is
think
a
that
broken
would-
up body, so it doesn't really matter anymore. But hey,
Yeah, we're good, man.
he's still driving.
No, no damage. No damage. No, he's good. He's good to roll. Nice.
Wow.
Over and out.
Over and out. Great. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Links to my other channels will be down below.